This ukulele lesson is going to teach you about strumming in 6/8 time. This is a slow, bluesy feel. We're going to have a couple of different examples, a couple of different strums, and I'm going to lead you through some guided practice that I think that you will find really fun. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to play this cool, bluesy shuffle groove. So please, get your ook. Let's jam. Stick around to the end of the lesson. We're going to be applying this rhythm to a classic 16-bar blues, Sittin' on Top of the World. Let's get into the skeleton of the rhythm. And I want to invite you to please join me with any tuned ukulele you have, and let's monotask, okay? Just one thing at a time. Beginning with the skeleton of 6/8 rhythm, we're going to strum and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beats. 1 and 4 are loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just join in. Try to feel the strong beats in your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Couple of common questions. Should I strum with my thumb? Absolutely, you can do that. When you strum with your index finger, try to bounce a little bit on the strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beats 1 and 4, you can use all the strings. 2, 3, just bounce off those top strings. This at first is just an exercise, but there is a cool musical example you can use straight out of the Beatles' Oh Darlin'. Check it out. Place your E7 chord right here. And then we're going to move up to an F7, then stop on an E7, and then plop your pinky down right there for the E7 sharp 5. This is the break in Oh Darlin', and it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, join in please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Oh, 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 darling. All right, so we're going to learn Oh Darlin' next week in a Beatles tutorial. You can click right up here to watch a tutorial on how to chuck, because we're going to need to use the chuck for this next part. This is where the funk really starts to come in. Are you having a good time so far? You can rewind this video, practice along with me anytime, and if you dig this, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and check the links down below if you'd like to join the community. All right, so that's the skeleton of 6/8 time. Let's go deeper and get funkier and even bluesier. This is the rhythm I'm going to show you. I'll break it down in just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm using my thumb. Up, chuck, up, down. 1, 2. All right, there's a lot of bells and whistles you can add to it. Keeping it simple. The most important thing, of course, is to keep good time and to keep that chuck on beat 4. Sounds like the drummer hitting the snare drum. This is the pattern. Please join in with me. We're going to learn it slowly, and then we're going to practice together. Again, monotasking, just practicing mindfully so you can really learn it today. Beat 1, we pluck. 1, 2, we rest. Up on 3, chuck on 4, and then up, down on the and of 5 and 6. When we count it all out, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to practice this again and again. As we do this, I want to encourage you to really count out loud. And as you're counting, if you can look at your hands, that would be awesome. Then you're really programming it deeply into your neural net. Rewind this video, return to it anytime you want, of course. 1, 2, 3, let's practice slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 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 All right, I think you're getting it. We're going to pick up the tempo and add one last thing. It's simple. The end of the pattern, you can go and 6 and. Just add another upstroke at the end. Don't think about this too much. Just try to feel. 6/8 makes you want to move side to side. It's a hypnotic rhythm for reasons we'll cover in another video. All right, let's practice it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See, I'm adding that up strum at the end every other time. Now there are a lot of different variations, adding hammer-ons and other strumming embellishments, but this is the structure that you'll want to use for the last part of this video, Sittin' on Top of the World. Let's just play through this 16-bar blues progression using this strum. Let me know how you're doing in the comment section down below if you got any questions, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel, Ukulele Zen. If you're digging this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for making music. Let's play this tune together. We'll do a whole tutorial someday on this song. Start to get in the groove just by feeling it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Here we go. Was in the springtime. Oh, the month of May. My baby left me. She went away. Well, now she's gone, 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 and I don't worry, 'cause I'm sitting on top of the world. Yep. I did add an E7 at the end, and using that same kind of breakdown that the Beatles used. 4, 5, 6. All right. Have fun. 6/8 is a groove. It's a feel. It's a vibe. So try to get the feel into your body. Have a great time with this. This is one of those rhythms that can really take you deep. Appreciate you watching all the way to the end. I'll see you in another video sometime soon.